Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my new Arabic series. Today we are going to learn lesson number 12, Arabic alphabets. In this lesson, we will read one Arabic alphabet and the words that start with that word. Okay, are you ready? Are you remember this word? This is seen. This is seen. Okay, now read it with vowel signs. Okay, are you ready? Let's start. Seen fathaس, seen damma su, seen kasra si. Okay, now read together. Sa, su, si. Sa, su, si. Okay, now we will read the words that start with the Arabic alphabet seen. Okay, are you ready? Let's start. The first one, sahl, easy. Okay, once more repeat again. Sahl, easy. Okay, the next one, sayyara, car. Okay, once more repeat again. Sayyara, car. Okay, the next one, salam, peace. Let's repeat. Salam, peace. Okay, the next one, sama, sky. Okay, repeat again. Sama, sky. Okay, the next one, sukar, sugar. Okay, let's repeat. Sukar, sugar. Okay, the next one, sur'a, speed. Okay, once more repeat again. Sur'a, speed. Sur'a, speed. Okay, the next one, sukut, silence. Okay, repeat again. Sukut, silence. Okay, the next one, silk, wire. Let's repeat. Silk, wire. Okay, the next one, sirdab, crypt, mean खुफिया जगह. Sirdab, crypt. Okay, the next one, sihr, magic, jadoo. Sihr, magic, jadoo. Congratulations, we have completed this lesson. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, Allah Hafiz, wada'a araka kariban. Goodbye, see you soon.